Got the 23 Kona here. This is without nav. So you got to reset or change your service interval. So you can go to this button on your steering wheel. You go to the little gear symbol. You see the driver's assistance. You go to convenience, service interval. So right now it's off. So I turn it on, and I'm just using this here. You see OK, up, down. So then go down, service interval. So on this one, I'm gonna put it 3. Then you go click. You go up or down. Just OK. And here I'm gonna do 3 months. We're up in the north in the winter, so you want to change it more often. And then we go save, and we're just using this here with the OK and everything. The service interval is changed. Now if you want to reset, you can go right here, reset the distance, and whatever you have it saved at, that's where it's gonna go to. So now if we go back to that same spot and we go to reset instead of convenience, we can reset it to there, to whatever you had it at. You can reset it here. I don't know why there's so many places to reset it. So now it's whatever we put it at. So we can go back. If we go to convenience, you can see on the bottom there that it's still at the 37.91 days. No matter how many times we reset at that point, it's going to go back to that until we go into adjust interval and change it to something else. It'll always go back to 37. So that's without navigation. I think I'll do another one with navigation when I get one, but pretty simple.